How to fix Uber Eats won't let me add a card. So I'm going to show you 3 fixes. For the first one, we want to exit out of the Uber Eats app completely and close it, just like that. Now we will go into the App Store and make sure you have the most up-to-date version of Uber Eats. It's very simple to do this, but it can make a difference. So just search for Uber Eats. If it says open instead of update, then that means that you have the most up-to-date version. Now, once we have done this, the second method is going to be going into our phone's settings. And here I'll just search for offload, and we want to select offload unused apps. From this list that pops up, we will just find Uber Eats, click on it, and then we'll select offload app and just confirm it. Afterwards, we will immediately click on reinstall. We will get this reinstall button and just give it some time to reinstall. It's not going to log you out of your account or anything like that. It's just going to verify the integrity of your files for Uber Eats. So I'll come back in a second and give you the third tip. Okay, and the last thing that I can suggest doing is switching over your internet connection. So here, if you're using your mobile data, you want to switch over to Wi-Fi, and if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, try switching over to mobile data and see if that makes a difference when it comes to adding your card in Uber Eats. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.